What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Saturday, April 12th, and we do have an exciting video for you today. We have Costco's discontinued deals along with their online clearance. I did combine both of them into one video. But first, I do want to wish everyone a happy Passover. Walking down this TV aisle, we can see all these price signs have been marked discontinued. How do we know? Because we can see the star in the top right corner of the price sign indicating that this product is going to be discontinued here at Costco. So what are we hoping for? We're hoping for those price drops, those 97s, those clearance drops. That's what we're hoping for. These TVs should go on clearance. That way they can liquidate their inventory. Now, if you're on the market for a new TV, maybe a new computer, now's the time to be heading to Costco and looking out for those 97s. You can't beat it. When Costco gives you that additional 3-year warranty from Allstate and it's on clearance, how can you go wrong? Combined with Costco's return policy, you can't lose. Right in front of us from Lenovo, we have their 27-inch all-in-one desktop computer. Now, this deal has currently expired. I'm just showing it to you because I want to show you a little example. It has 16 gigs of RAM and a 1 terabyte hard drive. Check it out. It's also touchscreen as well. They're taking $100 off the price, but let's go over this price sign very quickly. Looking at the price sign, I do notice that star in the top right corner, combined with a manufacturer rebate, tells me that they do have plenty of inventory left that they want to liquidate. Now, I also want to pay attention to the expiration date. And once this deal has expired, we can expect it to return to full price depending upon how much inventory is left at your local warehouse. Now, this has been reported on clearance at multiple Costco's across the nation on clearance for $499.97. Unfortunately, at my local Costco, it's still at full price at $7.99, but I do expect it to drop within the next week or two. Now, obviously, this is going to vary from warehouse to warehouse, depending upon what inventory you have left at your local warehouse. Right in front of us from Kohler, we have their Pro Kitchen Sink Kit here. Original price $379.99, but Costco has applied a discontinued deal, bringing the price down to $299.99, an $80 discount that does expire March 12th. 30 days later, April 12th, I did do a video yesterday on Costco's clearance video. They have marked it down to clearance. You can see here the new price is $199.97. A fantastic, unbelievable price, almost 50% off. Now, the original price at $379.99, that's a great deal by itself. Never mind $199, that's unbelievable. Now, just the faucet alone, if you were to go to Home Depot or Lowe's, that faucet alone costs $200. This is a great deal. And speaking of good buys, let's head over to Costco online. From Center, we have their 300-pound rubber Olympic weight set. Now, this does include a 1-year Center app subscription. This is delivered right to your front door for $499.97. Pretty nice deal here. Now, it does include a 7-foot Olympic bar. You get the clamps, you get the weights. Pretty awesome at $499.97. Another great deal here at Costco online, this time from Wilson. We have their NBA Alliance Signature Trophy basketball. Now, this basketball does go for about $37 on Amazon, but check out this price here at Costco.com. The NBA official size, great for indoor and outdoor. You can pick it up here on clearance for $19.97. Another great buy.
Speak to him on the phone,
because
then he's not going to want to answer anybody's phone calls.
This is their
He doesn't want to be
256
attacked,
gig
you know?
iPad. It does have that 6-core CPU and a 4-core GPU. Has a 12 megapixel wide back camera and a 12 megapixel wide front camera. It's the same price here at Costco.com, $349.97, except we have 2 color options to choose from. You could choose the silver or you could choose the blue.
Okay, what are your
And next up from Henkel's, we do have their Fine Forge 10-piece knife block set. Pretty awesome because it's crafted from German steel. Its fully forged construction is great. Now, also, it does have a nice ergonomic triple rivet handle that does offer balance and comfort as well. Obviously, it's dishwasher safe, but they do recommend you hand wash it. They have one on display here at Costco, and this product has been marked discontinued. It's actually on the chopping block. Now, today, they say nice to $89.99. Also available at Costco.com for $106.99. In the number 7 spot, this time from Cuisinart, we do have their Custom Select 2-slice toaster. Now, this toaster can handle 5 different types of bread. Also has a nice defrost feature, 7 different shade settings, 1 through 7. Also has a high lift lever for easy toast removal. It's nice, it's compact, that's what I like about it. Stainless steel, great. You can tuck it away in the cabinet. It doesn't take up too much space. Now, technically, this is not a discount today, but it has been marked discontinued. Look how much inventory you have left. Keep your eyes on it just in case it drops on clearance very soon. Also from Cuisinart, we do have our 12-cup die-cast food processor. Now, we've seen this on my channel a few times. Very powerful motor, a 1,000-watt induction motor, but it does have a 3-year limited warranty and a 10-year motor warranty. I'm showing you this again today because it also just became available at Costco online for the same price at $149.97. It's a great buy with fantastic reviews. As you can see, 4.4 stars, $149.97. With spring cleaning comes spring painting. Here we have an 18-piece paint set, this time from Wagner. This is an awesome set to pick up at this price point. You get the paint tray, you get paint liners, you get a 9-inch roller with 4 rolls, you get a 4-inch roller with 2 rolls, you get 3 brushes, which is great, 3 different types of brushes. You get plastic drop sheets. This is a great set to pick up. Check out that price, $4 off, only $15.99. And I do have a couple of pieces of clothing I do want to show you. For the ladies, up first from Columbia, we have their long sleeve sun t-shirts. Now these are great to pick up, especially at this price point. 3 different colors to choose from: the blue, the peach, and the white. All 3 of them look great. We have the Columbia on the left chest. We also have Columbia logo on the long sleeve of the arm as well. All of them look great in my opinion. I do like the colors. Now today you can pick it up at a great discount, $4 off, bringing that price down to $11.99. Another fan favorite here at Costco, we have the very popular Mondetta leggings. Now these do have that super high waist, which everyone loves. Now these are very popular. A lot of ladies love these. So if you do love these have been marked discontinued. Grab yourself another pair before they're gone. We have the black, we have the blue, and we also have the maroon. Very popular leggings, $14.99. Another great item to pair up with these leggings, we have the ladies quartz watch. Now this watch is from Timex. It's water resistant up to 50 meters. These are great for those Costco morning runs, or maybe you want to sit at Starbucks and watch my videos. Right in front of us, we do have 3 different variations to choose from. We have the stainless steel, we have the two-tone, and we have the rose gold. All 3 of them look great, and they're all on clearance for $99.97. So if you do want to add a little bit more to that Timex watch, pair it up with this freshwater pink pearl white gold ring. It's 14 karat white gold. Check out that price, $249.97. Pretty amazing. Now it does have a couple of negative reviews. Why? Because the pearl is not actually in a setting. It's actually glued to the ring. So a couple of people did not like that. $249.97, not bad. If you don't like it, just return it. And next up from 7 Sundays, we have their grain-free cereal. Now this has been marked discontinued, but no worries. Just because they mark it discontinued, it does not mean Costco won't bring it back. So there could be a few different reasons. Poor performance, and they actually won't bring it back. It could be a seasonal item. It could be they're changing the packaging, or maybe they changed an ingredient, or maybe there's a new model coming out. So those are just a few different reasons. Here from 7 Sundays, we have their Real Cocoa cereal. Now this product has been marked discontinued, has great ingredients, good macros, 160 calories for a cup, 26 grams of carbs, 4 grams of proteins, but check out less than 1 gram of added sugar, even 2 grams of fiber, which is great. Now check out those ingredients, pretty awesome. It's sweetened with dates, as you can see, a little bit coconut sugar, not bad at all, $8.99. Most likely this product won't return. And now from CyberPower PC, we have the Extreme Gaming Desktop. It does have an Intel Core processor, i5 in it, GeForce RTX 4060, but keep in mind, I'm not a huge fan of the 4060. I do believe those overheat, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comments section. Has 32 gigs of RAM with a nice large 2TB hard drive, which I like. That's pretty awesome. Now today, they are taking $100 off that price. You can see there, they have marked it discontinued, so they are taking $100 off, bringing the price down to $899.99. Look how much inventory we do have left. This will definitely go on clearance. And next up from Reolink, we do have their 8-channel 4K system. Now this is a hardwire system, so you do need to run Cat5 or Cat6 cable throughout the house. You may need to hire an electrician to do that, depending upon your house. So right in front of us, this system's pretty awesome. Records 24/7. The cameras are 12 megapixels. There's no monthly fees. Has an app. Works pretty great. So all the footage gets recorded to that black box right there, which is great. So there's no monthly fees. It's priced at $449.97. Now I'm pretty sure some of you must remember these retro Igloo Cool Tunes Bluetooth speakers from last year. Now these are on clearance here at Costco online. They have up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, IP56, so they're water and dust resistant. It does have that Bluetooth 5.0, $79.97, still a hefty price tag for what it is. If you do like this item, leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Also from Disney, we do have their Spring Village on clearance. You can also pick it up at Costco online as well. This is their 13-piece set. Now, we've seen this in yesterday's video, so I'm showing it again today because it's available at Costco online. So at my warehouse, $29.97. That's a very cheap price. The average I've seen across the nation is $39.97. Here at Costco online, you can grab it for $49.97. That's still a fantastic price. So if you don't have it at your local warehouse, maybe you want to grab it here online. But if you do want to grab it, wait a couple more days, see if it drops a little bit more. We are getting very close to Easter. And if you love Legos, check out this deal. We have the Lego Fountain Garden and the Daffodils bundle set here. Now the Daffodils, 216 pieces, good for the ages of 8+. The Fountain Garden, 1,302 pieces, recommended for the ages of 18+. You can pick up this bundle set for only $69.97. Another great deal for Legos, we have the Lego storage headset. Now, one of those large buckets do cost about the same price as this entire kit. It's a 6-piece kit. This is an amazing deal at $29.97, recommended for the ages of 3+. If you know anybody who loves Legos, this is a great gift to pick up. $29.97 is a great buy for this set. And if you're looking to upgrade your home theater sound at your house, check out this soundbar from Sony, your HT-A5000. It's a 5.1 soundbar with a built-in subwoofer. Fantastic price today, $150 off. Costco has marked this product discontinued. You can also pick it up at Costco.com for the same exact price for $4.99. Now this does have Dolby Atmos, DTS:X. This is a great buy at $499.99. And next up, we have a Shark product on the chopping block as well. We have their Cordless Vacuum Pro here with Clean Sense IQ. If you want to buy a good vacuum, a dependable vacuum that I've seen at Sam's Club, buy the Shark Rocket. That vacuum is a workhorse. I bought one like 15 years ago. Until this day, it still outperforms all my Dyson vacuums, and I do have a lot of vacuums in my household. But this one, the Shark Cordless Pro, the reviews are pretty decent online, has that automatic boost. Here at Costco, $60 off the tag, $219.99. And next up from Puma, we do have the women's sneaker liner socks. Now these do come in an 8-pack here at Costco. They have a variety of different colors, but if you love them and you want to pick them up, you can also grab them at Costco online as well. These have been marked discontinued. They are taking $2 off the price, bringing it down to $7.99. They're also available at Costco.com, but you do have to buy a 2-pack here. Now the price is for a 2-pack, $16, but you get 16 pairs. Also, these do qualify for the mix and match, where you can potentially save an additional $20. Now we've seen the new Cryptic bag Costco has released. If you haven't seen that video, you can watch it at the end. Right here we have the Cryptic. This is a 2-piece glove set. You get the hat, you get the gloves, an awesome deal for $29.97. Small, medium, and large are available. Also XL. This is a great buy for $29.97. Pair it up with that new bag. Also from the ladies, we do have the Felina rib tank tops. Now these do come in a 3-pack here. They're also available at Costco online for $12.99. Same discount, $3 off. A couple more variations there if you do want to head there and pick them up. Also, don't forget, they do qualify for the mix and match at Costco online, so you could potentially save a little bit more money. Now these do have great reviews online. They look great. They're ultra soft. They have that stretched rib. These are ideal for layering, so as you can see there, these do look fantastic. Today at Costco, you can get a nice $3 discount, $10.99. They're $2 more at Costco online. Now we've covered this before. In yesterday's video, we saw the cat jump starters. They brought in the new model right in front of us. Also from Little Giant, they did bring in the new model as well. Now we have 2 of the same ladders, except this model right in front of us that has been marked discontinued. This is the older model. Wait till it drops a little bit more in price. Hopefully it drops down to $100 on clearance, but we'll see. People still buy this. When it comes weekend time, Costco is super busy. Do not underestimate the weekends. People still buy stuff at full price. $159.99 for the older version, $199 for the newer version. And once again, we do have the wrapping paper available here at Costco. These have been marked discontinued, and the deal will be over pretty quickly. Hopefully very soon after that, these will drop on clearance. A good time to score some wrapping paper, very, very cheap. We also have the ribbons to my right as well. This will also be a great time to pick up some ribbons. Perfect for all the holidays, birthdays, you name it, at a fantastic deal. Now, you still can buy it at a great discount currently if you don't want to wait. Why not? And you can always try to get a price adjusted if necessary, but who knows? Let's check out that price. So $3 off the wrapping paper, bringing it down to $11.99. $2 off the ribbons, $5.99. And next up, from Costco's online clearance, let me just mention it one more time, the Nike men's dry fit. These are long sleeve hooded t-shirts. Now these are awesome. Check out that price, $26.97 for men's dry fit. That's a great price. Now keep in mind, friends, usually the men's Nike, they're like a one size, maybe 1.5 sizes small. So make sure you order up. All the extra large already sold out in the navy, but we still have the black and white available as well, $26.97. Also from Blue Buffalo, we do have their top chews available for our fur babies. These are natural dog treats. We have the chicken and apple sausage bites made in USA. The top right corner, you can see there. These have pretty good reviews. Today, these are 2.5 pounds, and they are giving us $4 off the price. A fantastic discount. They have marked it discontinued, but most likely this will go on clearance. $6 off the price, $12.99. And here we do have the very popular Bluey, the My Size shopping set. This is a pretty good shopping set, 19-inch tall shopping cart. Comes with a cash register, a 10-inch Bluey, and a 9-inch bingo fingers. Has 22 different accessories, and it's good for the ages of 3+. Check out that price, fantastic price, at $29.97. And our last product for today's video, we do have the Fiero. These are the crispy eggs. I did pick this up myself. I'm planning to do a little Easter hunt at my house. I'm going to put these in the eggs. Also, I did order on Amazon those little Lego minifigures to put in the eggs as well. My nephews are going to come over. It's going to be fun. So for those of you who didn't know, I'm Greek Orthodox, and this year the Greek Easter lands on the Catholic Easter, so it should be a fun day. You can pick these up here at the warehouse, $3.50 off the price, $11.49. All right, friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I hope everyone has a happy Passover today. Also, friends, make sure you enter my giveaway. Follow me over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. If you did enjoy today's video and you want to support me, hit that thumbs up button. Why not? Support the channel. All right, I'll see you tomorrow with a new Amazon video. I'll see you then. Peace.